And it's like containing no added sugar. A glass orange juice contains the same amount of sugar and calories as in a can of Coke. Consumers know that, and this is global trends from the US and Europe, and here now in Asia, consumers are moving away from juice for other lower sugar, lower calories beverage. And this leaving we use biotechnology to develop a sugar reduction platforms for our juice producers. We're using a non-GM natural strains of microbes that we pick up from nature, together with a unique pathway of fermentation where we will target sugar molecules from fructose, glucose inside juice and convert that molecules into biomass and metabolize like other acids for safer consumptions. Our technology platforms based on all the natural microbes that we harvest from nature before we picking the best strains and optimize with the non-GM methods inside the lab before scale the process up and plug in that system into the customer's production line. We can reduce sugar to 0 level while maintaining original 100% juice content without water dilution. It can be applied to various types of fruits. We mainly working with Valencia orange, Florida orange, and tangerine at this moment, where grapes, apples, passion fruits are also in our pipeline. And as juice is a base to multiple types of food and beverage. It can be applicable to not only juice, smoothies, or cabinet soft drink, but also bakeries or ice creams or snacks. And at this point, we scale the process from lab scale to pilot commercial scale as 1 ton size, and with the aim to scale to commercial scale by the end of this year with one of the leading regional juice producers in Southeast Asia. Our business model is based on licensed technology to juice processors that supply the microbes. With the backgrounds from biotechnology, biochemical, biomedical, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, and food science. We started a company 4 years ago, spin off from research in the lab in Chulalongkorn University. Last year, we joined Terra Accelerators in San Francisco and so awarded as one of global top 500 tech startups in Hello Tomorrow Summit in Paris. And for tractions, right now, we just started an early stage POC with where we also, right now, we start some conversation with one of the global brands and some juice processors in Australia as well. But these are our JuiceInnov8. Happy to take all questions.